Green Homes Detroit, a gated community in Sungavachatram near Sri Perumbudur. Detroit, located between Chennai and Kanchipuram, is just 40 kilometers from Chennai on NH4, the Chennai-Bangalore Highway. Chennai, formerly known as Madras, is the fifth most populous city in India. Chennai's economy, a broad industrial base, automobile technology, hardware manufacturing and healthcare industries. The city is India's second largest exporter of software, information technology and information technology enabled services. A major chunk of India's car manufacturing industry is based in and around the city. The city is expanding quickly along the OMR in the south and towards Kanchipuram in the west. Detroit is placed very near to Kanchipuram as well. Kanchipuram, the temple town, is a major business hub for the handloom industry. It is well connected with Chennai and with a good network of roads. The place gets its significance due to the boom in the automobile and electronic industry. Detroit in Sungavachatram is strategically located on NH4, so it has maximum benefits from the location. Sungavachatram is an industrial town in Kanchipuram district in the state of Tamil Nadu. Sungavachatram on the Chennai-Bangalore Highway offers all facilities that the international industrial clients want and need for their businesses to operate in the country. Companies like Motorola, Samsung, Dell, Flextronics and Caparo transform this suburban town to a large-scale industrial hub. This town is regarded as India's answer to Shanghai in China because of the growth and electronic component manufacturing. In fact, the demand for land has resulted in recording the highest rate of land appreciation in India. The proposed metro rail project will commute to and from the city in the near future. Detroit is the perfect example of a gated community which not only gives you peace and serenity, but also unbound vista and solitude and that rare commodity of pure fresh air. Out of this panorama of unadulterated extravagance emerges a layout that intertwines to give you incomparable world-class living at an absolutely affordable cost. And before it skips our minds, we also have the benefit of owning a piece of land that we can rightfully call our future home. Self-contentment is hard to find, but at Detroit you would have to agree that it's all there. Detroit is a layout approved by DTCP wide number 008-2009 adjacent to the 240 acres of the Velankani SEZ amidst its many MNCs and educational institutions. And in addition to this, if you choose to live there now, the company offers designer villas which will be built and delivered to you at a very affordable cost. The artistic layout at Detroit starts from 1500 square feet for total comfort. We recommend Detroit for its high-value living at an affordable cost. A dream come true. So with Green Homes, you'll not only get a proud address, you also get carefree living for a lifetime. Detroit has 30 feet and 40 feet roads. They also have 5 parks, a children's play area, and a separate space for a school, hospital, and a community hall. An outer ring road and a 6.5 feet high compound wall with black-topped roads which match highway standards are unique features of Detroit itself. The layout has underground drainage, tree guards for avenue plantations, and also parks with children play areas. In addition to that, an overhead tank with a 1 lakh litre capacity is also being built.
Detroit is from Green Home,
a professionally managed real estate company with 19 projects completed and 1,500 acres of high-value land across South Indian metros. Come explore Detroit and you will find many more reasons to make it your own home.